Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my experience regarding emergency Dropbox appointment. So before that, let me give a little background about my case. I had my regular Dropbox appointment on April 26th at Chennai Consulate, but the consulate was closed and my appointment got cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. So after that, I tried to book expedite appointment through CGI portal and I got my expedite appointment approved and I was able to reschedule my emergency appointment for May 13th. But I was not sure whether this is an emergency Dropbox appointment or in-person appointment, so I dropped an email to US Travel Docs support team regarding the same. For that, I have gotten cancellation email from Chennai Consulate stating that I have to cancel my emergency appointment on May 13th. But when I logged into my CGI portal, my emergency appointment was already cancelled by them. So I contacted US Travel Docs again and they explained that since I am eligible for Dropbox appointment, I will not be able to attend emergency in-person interview. So basically the emergency appointment which I booked through CGI portal is for in-person interview. So they cancelled my in-person interview. So again I have requested for emergency Dropbox appointment to Chennai Consulate through email, but it was denied on the same day itself. So the reason I have stated for my emergency Dropbox appointment is kids vaccination and school reopening, but I did not attach any supporting documents in my email. After nearly 2 weeks of time, I have again sent an email to Chennai Consulate requesting for emergency Dropbox appointment for the same reason, and this time I have attached supporting documents with my email, and I have also attached my primary applicant's passport and I-797 along with the email request. As I have requested emergency appointment on the basis of my kids vaccination and school reopening, I have attached doctor's letter and school reopening email as a supporting document. So for that I have gotten email reply from Chennai Consulate asking do I come under Chennai Consular district and whether I will be able to travel to Chennai VAC once Chennai VAC is reopened, because that week Chennai VAC was closed due to full lockdown, and they have also asked me to send each applicant's detail in below mentioned format, that is applicant's name, applicant's passport number and applicant's receipt number format for interview waiver appointment. So basically this is for emergency Dropbox appointment. I have sent all the details on the same day itself. For that I have gotten reply after 2 business days stating that my interview waiver has been approved and I need to drop my documents to Chennai VAC at any operating hours on any business day. So this is basically a walk-in, but I have to bring an explanation to my travel purpose and my NIE category mentioned in a separate piece of paper along with the printout of this approval email. So in the approval email they have forgotten to mention my name and passport number. Instead it was blank with only applicant name and passport number mentioned in that. So I have again sent an email request to mention my name and passport number in the approval email, since I have to take the approval email printout when I am visiting the VAC. So the second approval email had my name and passport number clearly mentioned in that. So I took the printout of that approval email while I am visiting the Chennai VAC. So I dropped off my documents at Chennai VAC on June 3rd. The officer collected all my documents, passport and NIE explanation letter. I have explained why I am exempted from travel ban, and I have also attached my kid's birth certificate along with the explanation letter, since I am exempted from travel ban because of US citizen kids. So on June 4th, I tried to track my visa application and it showed documents received, and on June 7th, the status changed to administrative processing, and on June 8th, the status changed to visa issued, and on June 10th, my passport was delivered to the home address. Since I have opted for premium delivery, my passport was delivered to the home address. So these are the timeline for my emergency Dropbox appointment. When I tried to track my passport through US Travel Docs passport tracker, it only showed passport is still with embassy or consulate. The status did not change, and then when I tried to track my DS-160, that is my visa application, it showed the right status. So I suggest you to track your DS-160 instead of tracking your passport. Once your visa is issued, maybe you can track your passport. So when I received the passport, I have noticed that my visa page did not have any NIE annotated in that. So my guess is, since I am exempted from travel ban, there is no NIE annotated in my visa page. So if you have any similar experience like mine, and you have applied for emergency Dropbox appointment or emergency interview and got your visa with NIE annotated in that, please mention in the comment section, so it will be useful during my travel. So these are the email IDs and phone numbers of US consulates in India. You can request your emergency Dropbox appointment through these email IDs. I'll provide all these infos in the description below and in comment section also. Please refer to that. So if you already have a Dropbox appointment scheduled or a regular appointment scheduled for a future date and you need to expedite your visa appointment, then you can request through your CGA portal itself. But if you don't have a future appointment or your Dropbox appointment scheduled already, then you can request emergency Dropbox appointment through email. Not all the emergency Dropbox appointment are approved. Only handful of emergency Dropbox appointments are approved. So please be sure you have a valid reason and supporting documents before you apply your emergency Dropbox request. And also, if you believe that you are exempted from travel ban or you are eligible for NIE, please mention that in your request email along with the supporting documents. And I have already made a separate video on how to request for emergency or expedite appointment through CGA portal if you already have a future visa appointment date or slot booked for you. And I have also made a separate video on NIE process. Please refer to those videos if you need any details. I'll provide the link for those videos in the description below. It is not guaranteed that your request will be approved even with the same reason. It depends upon the consulate and the reviewing officer. So please make sure your email is a valid and strong reasons with the supporting documents. And if you are a H1B visa holder and requesting for emergency Dropbox appointment, please mention your work nature, your job duties and why your presence is needed in United States at this time with the employer letter. So these may help you to get your Dropbox appointment approved. Since visa category and each person's situation is different, please produce your supporting documents and reasons according to your situation and work nature. So the most common question nowadays asked is why your presence is needed in United States at this time, and please be ready with the answer for this question. And if you can produce a supporting document for this question, please attach it along with your request email. And also please apply to the consulate where you have received your previous visa approval. Do not apply to all the consulate at the same time. This will duplicate your request. And also requesting expedite appointment through CGA portal is lot more easier than emailing to the consulate, because request through CGA portal are approved mostly than email request to the consulate. All the information regarding emergency Dropbox appointment in this video. If you have any other doubt, please leave in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. So I have applied emergency Dropbox on the basis of my kids' vaccination. I am exempted from travel ban because of my US citizen kids, and I have also mentioned family separation since my primary applicant is in USA. So all these are my category for emergency Dropbox appointment. So if you need any other details, please mention in the comment section. I'll attach the sample doctor's note in the comment section and in the description of the video. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video. It might help others who are in same situation. And also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notification regarding my upcoming videos in which I am planning to share my travel experience to US. Thank you.